Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the milk frother electric from Wamife, I don't know how to pronounce that. It's 700 ml 4-in-1 milk steamer and heater. This versatile gadget promises that ultimate addition to home coffee setup. So let's see how it works. So let's unbox. So this comes with a stainless steel milk cup and it's come with a lid. And comes with a spinner thing. And inside you can see it tell you like what's the capacity on that and the function. It has cold foam, hot milk and hot chocolates. So today I'm gonna try and test all 4 functions. Let's start with the cold froth. So I add milk and 1 teaspoon of matcha and let's click. So the cold foam will be ready in 2 minutes and is auto shut off. So it's blinking right now, it means it's gonna turn off. And look at that foam, it's so thick and creamy. Look at that, perfect. Now let's try the hot foam. So same thing. The hot foam will be ready in 4 minutes. You can put the lid on if you want, but I'm just gonna check how it's working. So same thing is blinking after 4 minutes and it will stop. And the hot foam is ready. So let's check it out. This look at the foam, so creamy. It looks like a professional. I'm impressed. Now let's try with the hot chocolate. We pour the milk, hot chocolate, and you can turn it on. For hot chocolate it takes almost like 6 minutes, so I'm just gonna fast forward it and I'm gonna put the lid on, but I'm just gonna check and we'll just wait for 6 minutes. Same thing is blinking and it is stopped. Hot chocolate is ready. Now let's just pour in. Now the 4th setting is heating the milk, and I totally forgot about it. At the night time I remember, and I couldn't sleep at night, so I decided to try it out with the hot milk. So I just pour the milk and just click the hot milk option, and that's it. It takes 5 minutes to warm it up. The good thing about the auto shut off option, so you don't worry about burning the milk. And the heating function is perfect for making hot chocolate or just warming milk. It's perfect for good night's sleep. It's warm and cozy drink. Overall, the Wamife milk frother electric is perfect addition for any home and coffee setup. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Buy now with a discount, link in the description below. Thanks for watching.